game review for beginners. We start from this situation. Right now, white play a big knight move, and then black play here. So this one mm, it's like an ending move. So usually when we play Weiqi or Go game, there are three stages or three phases: beginning, middle game, or end game. And this one looks like a end game. And so, and white play here, black play here, white play here, and then black play here. All this move, several steps, looks like a end game move. But in fact, there is a very important move. It's over here. And because this white stone is big knight move from other stone. So it's relatively far away, especially with the strong black in this area. So this c7 white is a little bit aggressive. So black should punish it. And when white try to survive, and then black can destroy the potential territory of white in the upper side. Another opportunity for black is when white plays the star point, the Sansan, the G7 point is always a weakness, especially when there are some black here. So black play here, it's most likely black can survive in this area. So review for this game, we should play the appropriate move in the different stages. Okay, in the beginning or in the opening, usually we need to find the cornerstone and build up your base. And in the middle game, try to expand your territory, settle down, make your group alive, and at the end of the game, try to take some public space. So for this game, both player, they are trying to play some end end game steps here, and all of them ignore the big opportunity here and a potential Sansan point here. Okay, thank you.